Alright, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be my first unboxing slash product review. Mainly doing this just to get started for editing and production purposes. So it's going to be a pretty generic video. What I got here is I got some jack stands from Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh Automotive, 3-ton heavy-duty jack stands. Claim to be perfect for repair work or storage. Got a welded steel base for strength, self-locking ratchet handle, and working height from 11 3/4 inches all the way up to 16 3/4 inches. So ANSI certified to 2005 ANSI and ANSME pallet standards. So cut the tape earlier so I wouldn't be all messed up taking everything out. So got our two jack extension pieces and our first base. Looking that one over, it doesn't look like it is too bad as far as any major dents or incomplete welds, although the welds are pretty ugly looking. But then again, these are less than $20 jack stands from Harbor Freight. Got owner's manual, safety instructions. Who needs those, right? And the other base, which, looking it over, looks pretty solid as well, other than some more ugly welds. Look at our extensions here. First one, casting isn't too bad. There's no major issues with the notches. You can see it's got it stamped as 3-ton. Platform surface is pretty good. So let's see what happens here. Each level works pretty good on that one. Look at the other one here. Don't see any major issues. Notches look pretty good. Top here is pretty ugly. Looks like they ground some of it down from a poor casting, so I might grind some of that out myself and then put some protective paint on there, keep it from rusting on me, whatnot. Go through the notches on this one. Looks pretty good. These even got the safety tabs. You can pound them in, so when you pull up on the extension, it doesn't pull all the way out. If you're moving it, whatnot, it come apart on you. I personally don't like to do that, just knowing that just one other safety step for me to pay more attention to, make sure I'm not going to exceed the jack stand's capabilities. So there you have it, a quick unboxing of Pittsburgh Automotive's 3-ton rated jack stands from Harbor Freight. Less than 20 bucks. Got it about 2 months ago, so finally got around to unboxing it. And that's it. If you got any questions or you want to see more, go ahead and click the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification. Get notified of new videos coming out. Comment or like or even dislike if you wish. Help me know where I'm going with the kind of videos that I'm putting out and know where to go in the future. So thanks again. Have a good night.